Oh, geez.
Holy crap. That's not good.
That's worse than I thought.
Way worse. Hey everybody, you're watching Cole the Cornstar. If you're even slightly interested in farming or just want to watch a 21-year-old farmer get some stuff done, you're in the right place. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or just want to say something nice, be sure to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I've been talking way too much already. Let's get into the video. Alright, we got a call last night that we have a grave we need to dig today. It is pretty muddy out yet, well, very muddy out, but the ground's frozen right on top. The top little bit's frozen. So we're going to drive the back over to the cemetery and put the Bobcat on the trailer, bring that over there, and we're going to go dig that this morning. And then we'll be working here in the shop once we get back. We have a lot of runaround projects and a lot of just little things that need adjusted here and there on the conduit and getting a couple things just finalized in the wiring. And then we'll be ready to move to the next project.
We're stuck on the gravel road. We can't get up the hill. So now I'm going to have to push Cornstar up the hill.
We made it about halfway up. And then it's just a little too slimy on the top. Dad's going to unload the skid loader and then it'll push me up. Yeehaw! Thomas the Train here. I don't remember what he says, but Thomas the Train. I'm just gonna have Dad stay in the skid loader because we're probably gonna have to do this again here in a minute.
Mr. Cole the Cornstar pulling Daddy Cornstar. I'm on the I'm on the skid loader on our trailer as he's pulling me down a gravel road. It's getting so muddy that when Cole the Cornstar gets stuck, I back the skid loader off and push him through the mud. We just met the road grader and he asked what we were doing, and I told him, sorry, we're tearing up the roads more.
Look at that loser back there on his phone. That's all he does. He's just always on his phone. Hard to find good workers anymore, let me tell ya. Jeez. We just got over to the farm. Dad's gonna fill up the Bobcat with diesel. We'll get the backhoe out and then we'll head over to the cemetery. We're gonna try to dig it with the backhoe instead of the groundhog because the backhoe's a lot faster and it would be really challenging to get the groundhog over with the road conditions the way they are. And the groundhog also does not like mud. Don't ask how we know that. Bad day. We're just checking the engine oil and putting in some hydraulic oil. And by the way, this looks really, 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 really dirty. I have a good job for Dad. Right, Dad?
I'm on strike.
When your fuel gauge doesn't work, you improvise. Our key doesn't work, so we improvise as well. Oh, Dad, I thought you were on strike.
I am. You didn't do your job.
I never do my job. Not bad. The ground's just a little frozen yet, so we're just gonna have to chicken scratch through the top, and then once we get under the frost, it should be fine. He appears to be changing it up. We're having a hard time breaking through this little frost layer. We've been told it's anywhere from 8 to 16 inches, so we thought we'd be fine. We're down about a foot right now, so we could be getting close. Hopefully this isn't a spot that's like 3 feet. If that's the case, we'll probably have to bring the groundhog over, which if we don't have to, we don't want to. Dad appears to be having better luck going sideways than the other way. I think we are through. Also, the batteries are dead on these. I didn't think to check it before he left. Oh well, I guess I just get to listen to the nice music of these engines. Alright, now we're going back to the way we normally dig it. We got the grave dug and it's done. We're gonna pull the equipment out and bring it home. I'm gonna scoop out the driveway here first. Before I leave the cemetery, I'm gonna go say hi to Grandpa real quick. You know, digging this grave might have made a couple people uncomfortable, and that's okay, because at the end of the day, everybody ends up in the bottom of a hole, or spread out in a field, or a stream, or wherever. Like, we only get one life. Make the most of it. Like, stop being mad at people. Spread God's word to everybody. Love everybody. Help people. Like, we're here as a team, not our own individual selves. Everyone just gets caught up in me. And it's so much more than that. Like, open your eyes. You only get one life. All right? Let's go out there and do great things. Proud of you guys. This is crazy. When I put my foot on the gas, I can actually watch the fuel gauge go down. Would it even be an episode of Cold the Cornstar if I didn't wash my Geo? You guys know what time it is. Apparently, in the middle of when I was washing all the mud off this, my phone ran out of storage, so the time lapse stopped, unfortunately. So that's why I just paused when I wasn't done yet. While I have it in here, I'm going to do an after winter detail of the inside. A lot of you guys wonder why I like my Geo so much. Well, what's there to not like about it? This is a 1996 Geo Prism. It's hardly even washed right now. I just blasted it with some water, but it's shiny. The interior is super clean. There's only 115,000 miles on it. It gets 30 miles per gallon. The chicks dig it, and I only paid $300 for it. We gotta go cover that grave. And then once we get done with that, we'll head back to the heated shop and tear into a few more projects there. Grave's done. Dad's power washing up the truck because it's got a brake line that's leaking. We're gonna go take it into the shop because it's in a really bad spot to fix, and we got other stuff we gotta do, so we'll let them deal with it. You know, I think I could get used to planning in one of these. Comfortable. Kinda resembles a spaceship in here though. It wasn't nearly this bad in the fall time. Like, you could drive a tractor through here no problem. There wasn't even a dip, but this is not good. Well, that was way worse than we anticipated it to be. It's fine though, I don't have anything else to do, so I'm glad I have a new project now. We're gonna bring our backhoe down and skid loader and work on it, but we're not gonna be able to do that today because there's still frost in the ground, so the effort would kind of be in vain with the backhoe. Once you get past that layer that's thawed, you're just gonna be sliding on that frozen ground, and we don't really have that good a footing down here the way it is, so it's gonna need to dry up a little more and thaw out a little bit. It's a lesson learned though. Last fall we knew it was plugged up, but it wasn't very bad at all, and water was flowing through there okay, and we thought it would just break free or we'd be able to get it in the spring and it would be fine. But I guess more stuff came in, plugged it up, and then it started going around them, and then that's what ate it out. So, lesson learned. Next time when we see that, we'll get it right away. We're gonna go talk to a dirt moving master quick to see if he has any thoughts. We talked with the dirt master and he had some ideas, but with soil conditions the way we are, our hands are kind of tied. It's starting to dry up a little bit out there. Still some frost in the ground though. Once that frost is out, it'll dry up way quicker. At least the snow is disappearing. We just received word that our filters from the Napa sale have came in, so we're gonna go pick those up real quick. All right, we're good to go.